Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So today I don't want to say it's a new box to my channel because I think I've unboxed this before. But there was something in there that I wanted, so I thought I would order it. And this is my Ohana Beach Box. And you can get this box monthly. You can get it on Cratejoy or you can get it, I believe, on their own website. And they had a special. I'm not sure if it was like $20 off. It's normally, I want to say like $50, and then they charge shipping. So I'll leave the link and all the information below. So as I said, I think I bought it for like $35 or something, and then I had to pay the shipping and the tax. And I wanted it as a one-off box because there was just something in there that I liked. Well, because I didn't cancel right away, I have another box coming, which is no big deal. My sister moved to Florida, and so I can send her some items in there because she's just loving Florida. And she moved, her house faces a nice pond. It's a new subdivision out there. So all the houses have this pond in the middle in their backyard. And there was an alligator sighting. So they called the animal control and they moved the alligator to an alligator friendly area. So needless to say, it'll be a while before I go lay out in her backyard. So this box came in a package, and it was wrapped in this really cool bag that says beach on it. And they're like, I don't know, is it like a velvet? But it's a really fun bag that you can wrap your suntan lotion in. You can put your sunglasses in there. You can put all sorts of stuff in there, and then you can zip it closed and off to the beach you go. So I thought this was really nice. I wasn't expecting it. I said I ordered the box because there was just an item in there that I like. So I don't really remember, except for this item, what came in this box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you stick around and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know how much I appreciate you. I've been out sick, I've been out on vacation, so I'm catching up on everybody's video. And if I haven't watched yours, let me know and I'll get right over there. So as I said, this is a beach box. Now, I live probably the farthest from the beach. Sand, I live near. Water, I don't. But they have some really fun stuff in here. So the first thing, oh my God, is this cute hat. It's got the sun on there. Now, I definitely have a lot of sunshine in the state of Arizona, and I wear hats when we go on the side-by-side, or we're just walking around, or we go out at night and I don't feel like doing my hair. I flip on a hat. So let me see if I can try it on. So this is a super cute hat. Loving the hat. The next item, oh, stickers. We got stickers. So we got little sun sticker. Summer days ahead, I hope so, because this weather is miserable. So I like those. And then, want even more beachy fun? You can, there's more ideas. Sun kiss, sun and surf. Oh, this is what's in the box. And look, it's my backyard. And let's see what we got in here. Hopefully my item will be in here. We have a Hello Glow face mask. Don't let anyone dim your glow. And look at that color. Now, of course, you know, I gotta open it and smell it. And that looks like it's not gonna happen. It is like all wrapped up in plastic, and I left my scissors probably on the other side of the room. Let me see. Okay, I got it. Oh, of course it's got the safety seal on here. And they just don't want you to get in it. I could smell it a little, but not too much. So I'm gonna give up. But it looks nice, and I'm definitely gonna try it. So we got the face mask, and then we got the applicator to apply the face mask, so that's always nice. Oh, did we get a treat? Oh, an Energy Bites. Sunflower, butter, and white chocolate. So as soon as I'm done filming and in the privacy of stuffing my own face, I am going to eat this. So that's nice. And then this is the item I wanted. I hope it's the item I wanted. So let's get into it. It's the item I wanted. I know you're gonna think I'm crazy. It's just like one of these things that I kind of wanted to do as a child. Never did, but I thought it looked neat. So, did I break it already? No. And it's a piece of jewelry, and it's in the color silver. And it's a surfboard. I just thought that was so cool. It's something different. I know I wear palm trees around my neck, but I just thought this was so cool. It's silver. I can wear it with like anything, and it's got this long chain on the back. So, do you think I'm crazy? I just liked it. I thought it was so adorable. I know I don't live in California. I'm close. But I just thought it was so neat, and it's clay. It's made out of clay. So I was just loving it. So let's do a little recap. We got the necklace. Let me find that little card that kind of cheated. We got the Sun and Surf clay necklace, and there's no values on here. I know if you go to their website, you can probably get the values, so I can try to do that before I post the video. So this is Lani Makana, and then there's the website, and I'll leave all that below. So if it's something, you can just order this by itself. We got the Hello Glow face mask, and again, it came with the applicator. We got the Sun baseball cap. We got the protein bite. And we got the stickers that I'm dropping. And this cute little beach bag. So when you carry your bigger beach bag with your towel and everything, you can just throw this in there. You can put your cell phone in there, so nothing's gonna drop. It'll all stay waterproof. So what was your favorite item in this box? Do you get this box? Is this a box that you'd like to try? As I said, if you go to her website, or you go to Cratejoy for like a first-time buyer or something, they do have a discount. So as I said, I just wanted to order the one-off box, but I do have another box coming, so watch out for that one. And again, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and as always, you guys have an awesome day.